Hi there, welcome to the Upcycle Design Lab. My name's Cindy and I craft using recycled and repurposed materials. If you're new here, I hope you'll stick around and check out some of my other upcycling tutorials. And if you like what you see, you can check the subscribe button below any of my videos to become a subscriber. Also, if you'd like to be notified when I upload new videos, be sure to check the bell icon as well. Anyway, whatever brought you here, I'm so happy you stopped by. I hope you'll find some inspiration to rethink the things that you throw away. So today I'm breaking my rules a little bit. Normally I film my video intro after I've made the project, so I kind of know how to introduce it and what to say about it. But the project that I'm introducing right now is all in my head. I haven't even started it yet. And I don't think that it's going to be a complete step-by-step tutorial because it's pretty outside the box and I can't imagine how many people would really want to emulate it. But hopefully it'll be just sort of a fun video to watch from start to finish as this project comes to life. It is another video in my Craftroom Makeover series, and if you've missed any of those other projects, you can get to the links in the comment section of this video. I will give you one little spoiler alert about this project. I'm using a lot of corrugated cardboard.